Okay, so today I'm looking at pattern 4908 and how to work the decreasing on this section of the tail, so down here. So I have worked a small sample to show you how it should look, and so this would be a little bit of the cross section, so I'm going to actually put the decrease here. So what you need to do, just get the instructions right for this. So you have been working your shell patterns across, and we've come to where you want to work the decrease. So you need to insert your hook in the third treble and then pull that through. Then insert your hook into the next double crochet and pull that through, and then insert your hook into the third treble of the next shell pattern there. So that's what you would end up with on your hook, and then it's yarn over and you pull through all four, and then you would just carry on working your trebles, so 5 trebles into the next hole, and you would carry on. So it's a double crochet, sorry, not a hole, across there, and then it does pull a bit funny at that point, but when you come to put the whole thing together, that will fold. And so this would actually be the side of your work. So although it will look wrong when it's laid flat, when it's actually put together, it will form part of the ridged side. So I hope that's helpful, and we'll see you again in the next one.